Children of God, do you still remember your lockdown experience? Let me take you back to the time of the pandemic. Many families struggled to put food on the table as jobs were lost and mobility was restricted. Fear and uncertainty filled the streets, and yet something beautiful emerged. In Quezon City, a simple bamboo cart appeared along a roadside. It was called a community pantry, where people could give what they could and take what they needed. The message was simple: give according to your capacity and take according to what you need. This small initiative quickly spread across the country. People brought vegetables, canned goods, and rice, even when they themselves had little. Strangers helped strangers without expecting anything in return. It became a sign of hope in the middle of a crisis. It showed that even in scarcity, generosity can multiply.